So, I'm ready now.
Okay.
I'm going to do a 3-card flip for you, Mimi. Which means I'm going to give you 3 cards. And the indication of the cards is going to be the yesterday.
Make sure you guys give that the host, please, and share the live. You okay?
Okay, Pretty Sky. I appreciate you for chatting in the box. But does anybody know what she's doing that Mesmerize does not like? I want y'all to read that comment. Because this is better how you'll better understand me. Okay? Nobody can say that they're your friend and then do things that you don't like. You might have not meant it. You might have not meant it. But please do not try to come over here and gain yourself and gain energy.
I'm going to sit here real quick. I'm going to give you my card, though.
But I appreciate you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Keisha. Thank you so much, Keisha. Okay, the first card is down. The second card is down. Your third card is down. Does anybody know what the number 3 represents?